Welcome to Word of the Day. Let's expand our vocabulary together. Today's word is riveting. It means so fascinating or absorbing that it captures your complete attention. Here are two examples using this word. The documentary about deep-sea exploration was absolutely riveting from start to finish. She gave a riveting performance that left the entire audience speechless. Some synonyms and antonyms to help you understand the word better. Synonyms are captivating, gripping, spellbinding. Antonyms are boring, dull, uninteresting. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more daily vocabulary words.